Autography beyond the writing has changed my life beyond imagination. I am Darshana Shah, a teacher from Autography family from Ahmedabad. Autography was started in Ahmedabad and now it has 175 centers all over India, including overseas. We have so many trained teachers who are conducting classes online as well as offline. I had joined Autography in April 2019. From last 4 years, I am successfully running my classes. It has not only made me independent, but also it has given me financial benefits. I am a valuable contributor to my family. It has enabled me to utilize most of my free time and engage in productive work. I can connect to the new generation and with the new ideas. Joining Autography is fun-filled both with professional and financial benefits. I like to extend a warm invitation to all the homemakers to come and join our Autography family and transform their lives into a new identity. With just 2 days of teachers training, you can easily start your classes online as well as offline. Autography helps you whenever you need them, not only just during the workshop, but anytime, any day. I express my gratitude to Nilay sir and Simran ma'am for innovating such autography cursive handwriting books which no one has still thought of. Thank you once again for benefiting us in personal as well as professional life.